Sublimate a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. For this project, you will need the following materials: a tumbler press, 20-ounce skinny tumbler, a ruler, measuring tape, sublimation paper, a tip dispenser, and heat-resistant tape, and a lint roller. Now let's begin by measuring our tumbler. Remove the lid of your tumbler and measure the height using the ruler. The height of our tumbler is 8 inches. Now using the measuring tape, let's measure the circumference. Stretch your tape, place it around the tumbler, and hook it. Next, press the button to retract. This will give you our width. Now we're going to input the width of 9.32 inches into the design software that we are using. Let's head over to Canva to design the template.
Let's create our summer 20-ounce skinny tumbler. Go over to Custom Size, change the units to inches, and input width of 9.32 inches and height of 8.0. Then click Create New Design. Let's go over to the left panel and select Elements. And under Elements, we are going to search for Melted Ice Cream. Select See All and pick the images that you would like to use. For mine, I'm picking a wafer background, and then I will be selecting my ice cream. Next, save your design. Select Share, select Download, then select File Type and change PDF Print. Select Flatten PDF and save download settings, then click Download. Select Save, open up the file, and open up the print manager that you are using for the Sublimation printer. I'm using the Sawgrass SG500, so I will open up PrintMate. Drag the file onto Add Files. Make sure that mirror is turned on and the sizing is correct. On product type, change the product to Tumbler. Then go over to Color Management and select Vibrant. Then select Print.
We have our print ready to go. But before we get started, let's start by prepping our tumbler press and then our tumbler to sublimate. So the first thing we want to do is place the tumbler inside the press and close it to feel for the pressure. This feels a little loose, so let's increase the pressure by rotating our knobs to the right. Now that the pressure has been set, let's turn on our press and set the time and temperature. Hit set once, and we're setting the temperature to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. You can increase or decrease the temperature using the arrows. Hit set one more time to save the settings. We are setting it to 60 seconds for 2 minutes total. Increase and decrease the temperature using the arrows and hit set one more time to save the settings. While the press is heating up, it's time to prep our tumbler and wrap it using our sublimation print. Take the lint roller and clean your tumbler. Next step is to trim the template so we only leave the design. Now that our paper is trimmed, we're ready to sublimate. Take your wrap and place it around your tumbler. Take thermal tape, place one strip in the middle, then
continue adding tape along the seam, overlapping one tape over the other. This will help you remove the tape easier when it's time to remove it from the press. Next, place your tumbler inside your press and close it. Let the press run for 60 seconds. When the time is up, your press will beat and rotate your tumbler. Press again for 60 more seconds. Again, you will hear a beep sound, which is time to open up your press and remove your tumbler. Make sure to remove the wrap right away while it's still hot. Use heat-resistant gloves to protect your hands.
Congratulations, you sublimated a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. Look how wonderful these colors turned out.